bought some stuff I don't need. I just bought some stuff I don't need. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing with a new collection that came out, and I didn't think I was going to be able to buy it. I was going to say I didn't intend to. We all know I've been looking. I picked this up at Ulta because the possibilities are beautiful, and I tried to find it on the Ulta website. Originally I was going to buy it on the Wet n Wild website, but I was like, why do it there when I could use my points at Ulta? And then I tried to get it there, but they didn't have it on the website. So I went into the store and I was able to pick up these two new collections from Wet n Wild. You have the Ice Cream Bee shadow palette and then the Coffee Cat shadow palette. And they smell good. I can already smell them from out here. Oh, look how cute they are. Oh. And it tells you right there too, ice cream scented, coffee scented. And I'm not too big on the coffee scent. Like, I love me some coffee, don't get me wrong, but I'm not too big on the coffee smell. I'm really big on the ice cream smell, but I was more into the coffee colors than I was the ice cream. So I figured, you know, pros and cons of both. I got both. I went ahead and used my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation to kind of keep with the Wet n Wild theme, which, yeah, we'll just see how that goes. Let's get to it. Hold up, hold up, hold up. As much as I don't want to do this, we're only going to be using this one today. Like, why do you put the thing to open it on the package? Like, why don't you put it down here where there's a spot to open it? I just want to open it. Where's my penknife? Share your secrets with me. How do you open these? Oh, God. Like, tell me, why do you put the open thingy up here when right here is where we open it? Wet n Wild. Can you explain this to me, please? Actually, I don't want you to explain it to me. Just change it, yo. Change it. Oh, my. Oh, my. Oh, that's good. That is ice cream. Oh. Wow. Okay, not mad. I'm not mad no more. I totally want to try this one. I don't know if you can see, it's very swirly, super cute. And I already applied foundation and eyeshadow primer. I forget the words for things all the time, I guess. But what else is new? Do we have shades? Are these shade names? Maybe. I'm gonna come in with this one because the shade names are on the back right here, but I don't know what order they're in. So I'm gonna come in with Homie right here, and we're gonna give it a go. Ooh, look at that. Messy. I mean, so far so good. I really like the way this looks. Let me just throw on some mascara. That is actually really nice. I love how this eye look has come out. I'm going to come in real quick with the Wet n Wild Ice Cream Bee Lip Gloss in the shade Saucy Strawberry. Normally I'm not a fan of glosses, but I went ahead and put down some of my Agave Beauty Lip Serum first. So maybe it'll help make it less sticky. Ay, this packaging. I'm not a fan of this packaging. Can we, it just, Wet n Wild, no. I would have enough footage here to make an entire channel of just me struggling with packaging. I swear. Is that it? Is it off? Okay, that's it. All right. So, one more time. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. It has a little bee on the handle. Can you see? It has a little bee and a little buzz bee, queen bee. Then he doesn't look very much like Beyonce. You know what I mean? Anyway, Saucy Strawberry. Let's see. Does it smell like strawberry? It smells sweet, but not like strawberry. It's not too bad. It's very thick, but it's not sticky. Like, it's a little sticky, but it's not like I have super glue and it's drying out on my face sticky. This is beautiful. 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 I know I originally started this video wanting to do both the coffee and the ice cream, but I'm so glad I was able to dedicate just one to the ice cream because this is such a cute look. These shades didn't really disappoint. I was actually pretty glad. Same thing with the gloss. I was expecting entirely sticky, gluey, nasty, gloppy mess, and it's not. It's thick, don't get me wrong, but it's so nice. Maybe because my agave lip serum that I put on beforehand, but still nice. In my opinion, it's nice. I love the look I got with this. I really wanted to go for something yellow to like match my shirt, but at the same time, oh well. Oh, also I'm wearing tights, so I'll go ahead and just match my tights for now. I'm cool with that. I'm gonna go ahead and run some errands. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you ended up picking up one of the Wet n Wild palettes, let me know which one you got, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, all the goods, the bads. I was really surprised by this. Like, I'm gonna take this with me because I don't know how long this is gonna last, so if I need to reapply or whatever, I'll have it with me. I'm gonna go shopping right now. I gotta go to the store. We're running low on food, which happens when you have so many children in the house. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Again, super surprised by this one, super in love with it. This I'm gonna keep wearing because this look came out super cute. Everything blended together really well, and even the purples have pigment, and I'm not used to purples having so much pigment, and it's nice, honestly. As you can tell, I'm looking at me, not at you. Looking at me, not at you. Makes me feel good. Anyway, we do this every Thursday, Sunday. I will see you next time. Yeah, that's it. Bye.